Hey, just welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool image right here, and basically what this is a coffee canister that is used for almost anything, not just for coffee. So if you guys want to put like flour, cereal, tea, or anything else, you can definitely put all that in here. So you can see the one that we got right here is from this brand. And the way how they designed the product, it does give you guys an airtight seal. And if you guys turn to the side, they do probably got some more specs and features as well. So they mentioned how it has an airtight seal lid, expiry date tracker, built-in valve to release CO2, and because the product has airtight sealed lid, that way it can keep everything more fresher for a longer period of time. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Let me actually open up to show you guys what the inside looks like. Alright, so once you guys open up, inside they do provide a protection layer. Once you guys take that out, right underneath that we do have the actual product, so let's take it out. So once you guys take it out, inside they do provide guys a user manual to teach you guys how to use it, and other side they show you guys how to use it. So it's actually really cool how they give you guys the option to adjust like the time on here for the expiry date. So they give you guys like the month option and date option as well. But once you guys take it out, here is basically what the product looks like. So right here is where you guys will open up the lid. Right here on the side they do give you guys the option to put like the spoon on here. I'm assuming the spoon should be inside. We'll figure out in a second. So on top part we do have the brand logo, and right here we do have the option for you guys to adjust the day and also the month. So when you guys spin the middle part, that is how you guys adjust the month. And if you guys spin the side, that is how you guys adjust the day. So that way you guys know when the product expires. So you do have the option to put like the expiry date on here, or you guys can put the date you guys put it in. If you guys can hear the material on here, definitely sounds very soft and very smooth. And right there we do have the brand logo as well. So that is basically everything that's on the outside. Let me actually open up to show you guys the inside. So what you can do is pull this part open, take this part out, open up the lid, and that is basically what the inside looks like. So you can see for the lid right here, we do have like the silicone material. So that way when you guys do close it, it definitely gives you guys the airtight seal. If you guys notice on top part and the middle part right here, they do have a breather valve. And we see the inside right here, they do provide you guys a spoon. And the inside of the product, it is stainless steel, if you can see. But let's take out the spoon first. So when you guys take out the spoon, inside they do provide you guys the accessory that can change for the breather valve if you guys need to. So there's a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 of these as backup. But once you guys open this one, here is basically what the product looks like. So you see right here they label the measurement that you guys have, which is 1/8 cup. So if you basically want to use this to scoop what you guys want to put inside, whether it be tea, coffee, or anything else. I love the way how they designed the handle so that you get a good grip when you guys do use it. So all you need to do is just put it inside like this. So that way you guys always have a scoop or a spoon for you guys to scoop everything inside, whether it be tea, coffee, or anything else. So once you guys put everything inside, you're going to close it back up. And close this part right here. And it's all set. So very easy and very simple for you guys to use it. In the way how you guys maintain a product, they do recommend you guys hand wash it. And if it's the first time using the product, you definitely want to wash it first before you guys use it. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and test the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it if you guys want or need one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for a high quality airtight container that you can use to store like coffee, tea, flour, cereal, or anything else. Then I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or having one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.